At Dataai, we help you understand the digital landscape so you can make strategic decisions. You're the lead research analyst at a US retailer who is looking to expand into the UK. Because your company has repeatedly failed at new market expansion, you need better visibility into the UK's competitive landscape. With Insights Generator, start by quickly identifying competitors by selecting United Kingdom and our App IQ category. E-commerce, brand retailer. Next, benchmark yourself against high-performing competitors in the high-growth or unicorn quadrants. Add these companies to a custom group in the Compare module to measure downloads. Finally, use the Align by Launch functionality to visualize your competitors' installs since launch. With competitive launch data, you now have the insights necessary to help your company execute a better market expansion strategy.